If you've lost access to your Zelle account and can't receive verification codes, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Contact your bank or credit union. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Verify your identity. Be prepared to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions, providing personal information, or confirming transactions. Ensure you have any necessary documents ready. Step 3. Request account recovery options. Ask the representative about alternative methods for account recovery. They may offer options such as resetting your account through email or phone number verification. Step 4. Update your contact information. If you've changed your phone number or email address, provide the updated information to your bank. This will help ensure that you can receive future verification codes. Step 5. Follow up. After your request, follow up with your bank or credit union if you don't receive a response within a few days. Persistence can help expedite the recovery process. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Zelle account. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for further assistance.